it's Jordan. It's coming to you with some reviews. I checked the mail and I got some goodies. Like, I'm so excited. So I wanted to try out some subscription boxes to see which ones had like the best products, right? So I got a Sephora one, so we're gonna start with today. This is Sephora Play. It is a monthly subscription box. I'm gonna open it for the first time. I'm gonna open it together, okay? So this is the box. All right, you guys, let's see what's in the Sephora Play. I'm so excited. Yes, I love getting stuff in the mail. I used to live with my grandmother, and my mom would like send me little care packages. I would love them. She would send me like gum. She sent me a Walkman once with some tapes in there. I love gum to this day because of those boxes. So I'm super excited to get this box today. So what do we have? I have Tarte facial cleaner, and with Sephora Play, it's all trial size items. So that's gonna be nice to try. This is some Maraho. I'm sure I'm butchering that. It's a blowout cream. I wear wigs. I have a human hair wig that actually just came in the mail, so that'll be perfect to try with that. It's a Brazilian curly, so we'll try it out. This is a lip pencil in a nice little peachy color. You know how I like my bright colors. That might be cute on me. Let's see. And we have Too Faced Pore Perfecting Cooling Matte Perfecting Primer. So Too Faced Primer. This is really popular right now, so I'm excited to try it out. And I have some gift cards that I use, so this is perfect to get all these sample items to decide what I want to buy, what I want to spend my gift card on. And this is also Tarte mascara. I didn't know Tarte had mascara. Like, should we try it? Let's give it a try. I need a mirror. Earrings falling off. Whoopsies. Okay, here's a mirror. I'm gonna try this mascara. I have on false lashes, falsies. I'm gonna try it on my bottom lash down here. Okay. You see that? Like, you could tell there's a difference. There's a significant difference. This is Tarte. It smells like regular mascara. You guys see that? That's good. Look, there's a difference. Let me look in the camera. Okay, I'm excited. Excited! So that was Sephora Play. I forgot how much a subscription is. It's either $10 or $20. I don't know. But it comes in this little box. Inside of this plastic baggie. It says, open here for warm, fuzzy feelings and a little something extra. So thanks, Sephora. They are not paying me to do this review. I did pay for the subscription myself. I just thought it would be cool to do a review to have relevant content, since I am moving towards the beauty influencer stages as one of my many talents. Okay, that's Sephora. Which, I gotta get a code. I'm gonna get a code. I'm gonna place it down below. Click on the code and get your Sephora box, okay? Cool. I also got this BoxyCharm. I'm excited about this. Is full-size products. This one is $20. I don't know why I didn't just cut this open before I started recording, but I have a pair of scissors here. Always prepared. In my go-go gadget drawer I got here. So I'm just opening this up. What does that say? Hello, Charmer. That's what they call their subscribers, Charmers. So this is the hashtag BoxyCharm. Now, BoxyCharm is unique because it has full-size products. Most trial boxes or most subscription boxes only have trial sizes, like the mini lip gloss or the mini Tarte products I got from Play. But this BoxyCharm is full-size product. So here is the first look at the box. I'm excited. And it says, "'Tis the season," and it gives me information about the items inside the box. I love, can you see that? It's so pretty. This is Pretty Vulgar, and it is my earring. We're gonna rock the one because that rolled like hecka far. This is Translucent Setting Powder by Pretty Vulgar. I've never heard of Pretty Vulgar. Have you heard of Pretty Vulgar? So we're gonna open this up. It comes with the cutest little puff. Look. And it's looks like it's gonna be the appropriate color. You do a little survey. It asks about your skin tone. So yeah, I'm not too worried about that. That's just setting powder to ease the oil. I can't wait to do a live tomorrow with these products. A charcoal mask. I love charcoal masks. This is by Cosmetics Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. So cool. My skin is going to be so flawless. I cannot wait. And more Tarte. Tarte is like the hot item today. This is lip paint. Oh, should we try it? Tarte is turning the coin, honey. They in everybody's box. Oh, it has like a shimmer. Oh my gosh, you guys know I love glitter. I'm so excited. Okay, let me calm down. I'm just gonna put it, this is like a matte, so I'm just gonna put it on top to see what it does. You guys. Oh my God. Okay. Oh yes. Oh yes, honey. Who wants to go and get slayed? Because I got toys. I got new goodies I want to try. I'm gonna give you gloss, honey. Yes. So excited. So this is Tarte. And it smells amazing. Like you could totally, it smells like you can eat it. Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. She loves it. And this is in, I got these contacts on and they're not for nearsightedness. Insta Famous. Insta Famous, hey, it's prophetic. So that's that. So we have so far, we have our setting powder and we have our lip. So with BoxyCharm, you're supposed to be able to create a whole look with everything inside of the box. It comes with this protective foam in it. So there must be something gentle in here. There's a lip pencil by Body Geography. Let's see what this color will work for me. I'm ashy. Never mind my ash. But I think that with the shimmer is going to be cute. Give me a nice nude lip. What else is in here? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And a full-size eyeshadow palette. Now, I'm going to get this box every month. Full-size products by Protege. Suva Beauty. The name of this palette is called Protege. It's so sleek and smooth. I like that. Nice. With the faces on it. Artistic. Look at this. So it comes with a little cover. But look at these colors. Oh, honey. Let's see how this little bronzer does. Y'all know how I feel about. Okay. Yes. Shut my mouth, honey. All right. I like it. Look, no bronzer. I'm doing a look tomorrow. I'm going to wear the same shirt and do look like the colors match the shirt. I can't wait. You see me? Hey. Can't wait to do this tomorrow. I'm so excited. Okay. So they're both really good. I like BoxyCharm if you can swing an extra $20 a month for makeup, which is really good. I got how many items? 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I get 4? Did I get 4 or 5? I got 4 and 5, the lip pencil. 5, just dropping stuff. 5 items in this box for $20 a month. Play, they got you. Sorry, you got played. It's knocking Ipsy out the box. It's knocking Play out the box. I also got my December Ipsy. So since I'm doing all of them today, let's talk about December's Ipsy. It came with this beautiful glitter bag. You know, I love Ipsy that they always send me a really cool makeup bag. Love this one. I just bought one from Old Navy that I use as a clutch because it's so big. But this is super cute. And in my Ipsy, I got a blush, which I used in today's tutorial. I have it on now. Really nice blush. It's called Skinny Dip. Skinny Dip. I can't see who that's by. The print is too small. And I got a bronzer. This is Ipsy, by the way. I got a bronzer. That's 2. I got an eyeshadow. Stowaway. Not eyeshadow, I'm sorry. Eyeliner. It's a mechanical pencil eyeliner. If I can get it out. So Ipsy does miniature things too. But it has that. I did not use it today in today's look. But that's cute. Right? That's 1, 2, 3. I have lipstick. This is Ipsy. Kind of reddish, rusty color. Let's swatch that out for you. So yeah, that's a nice color. That's gonna be nice on moi. It's like a reddish color. That's 1, 2, 3. Oh, and then it came with this body scrub. Scalp and body scrub. So they're all kind of following the same thing. They come with a facial cleaner and they come with like a lip product. I like what they're doing. Definitely just, you know, what your budget can afford. With Sephora, they give you play points. So that's the kind of a bonus too. You get $50 play points that expire at the end of 30 days, I think it is. You have to use it within 30 days, but they encourage you to come into the store. And then anything you buy offline, you get double points. So that's kind of like a reward back. Ipsy, you get rewards too. They have a cashback program. But BoxyCharm, I like it because it's full-size products for $20 a month. Like, how can I beat that? It's amazing. I love it. Okay, so that is my little review on these box items. Tell me what you think in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe. I look forward to hearing from you, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.